Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add subtasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project. Then we have to tap on a task that we want to edit. And here we have multiple options to do, but below the description we find subtasks. If you tap on this, we can add a subtask to the project, thereby breaking it down to more easily achievable milestones. For example, let's say the task is to edit a video. Then we can add some subtasks that are like synchronizing the audio files, editing the videos, lighting, etc. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.